Well, welcome back. This weekend we've got a Broadway production coming to Frontenac High School, and joining us I have two of the actors from the musical Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella. Joining me this morning I have Anne-Marie Martin and Braden Sywert joining us. Thank you so much for coming in this morning. This is a big deal for Frontenac to do this play.
Yeah.
All right, tell me a little bit about yourself and your theater background. Now, Anne-Marie, I understand you're a junior.
Yes.
Is this your first production, or have you been doing them?
I have been doing productions since I was 9 years old, so I've been doing it for about 8 years now.
Awesome. Do you remember like some of the bigger plays that you were in, or your favorites, highlights?
Some of my favorites have been Willy Wonka, Newsies, Lion King, and Rock of Ages.
So you were cast as Ella in this production. Tell me a little bit of what it means to you to play this role.
For me, growing up, I've always loved Cinderella. I've always loved the classic Cinderella story. So getting to play this role has been a very big thing for me. I'm very excited to get to play it.
Awesome, awesome. And Braden, you were playing the role of Topher, and I understand you're a sophomore.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your past theater experience.
Well, I've been doing theater since I was 11 years old. I started with Junior Stars over by the Memorial Auditorium, and it just sort of went from there.
Okay, so your cast is Topher.
Yes.
For those who may not be familiar with the musical, who is Topher?
Topher is the prince, and some people might not know that because everyone refers to him as Prince Charming or whatever they
Exactly,
say.
yeah.
This prince is a whole lot different from the ones you've probably seen in the past. It's I don't know how to say it. Let's say the prince has some of his own personal issues of his own. So he's not that typical ladies guy. in a way.
Okay. So he had a character you had to find yourself
Right.
developing
Right.
for you. And was that a challenge?
Yes and no. Mostly yes.
Okay. All right. Tell me a little bit about your future plans. Do you plan to continue with theater, or is this just something you're dabbling in while you're in high school?
I mean, I would love to continue doing theater through college. I've always loved performing, so I hope to continue that.
That's awesome.
I'll say the same.
It's been a lot of fun, I'm sure.
I love being on that stage.
Okay, well that's cool. Let's talk details about Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella, showtimes, where it's at, everything.
The show times are 7:30 on Saturday and 2:30 on Sunday. The shows will be held at the Frontenac High School middle gym, and it should be a really fun time. You should all come out and see it.
And the price is extremely reasonable, $5.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. All right, got to support the local theater department at Frontenac High School. All right, well thank you two for coming in.
Well,
Thank you
thanks
for having
us.
All right, we will be right back.